Andre Fletcher's stoppage time goal led Waterhouse FC to a dramatic come-from-behind 2-1 win over Vere United FC in a ill-tempered game in the Jamaica Premier League at Jerusalem on Wednesday night. Denzel McKenzie fired Vere in front in the 31st minute before both teams were reduced to 10 players after Kevon Atkinson of Vere and Elvis Wilson of Waterhouse were both ejected in the 60th minute. Leonardo Jimison then found an equalizer for the home team before Fletcher found the winner in the 3rd minute of stoppage time. Head coach of Waterhouse, Marcel Gale, says even though he wasn't pleased with the performance, he's satisfied with the result.
The game wasn't a game of high quality, but I guess we dig deep and we fight hard. We resolute, fight from one goal down, and we come back and get our 3 points. I must say credit to the guys. I thought they played well and they were spirited right through the game.
The win takes Waterhouse to 41 points, but they remain in 8th place. The defeat was the 19th of the season for Vere United, as they remain at the foot of the table on 22 points.